This guide shows you how to download and install the Norad Tracks Santa app on your iPhone or iPad. So first of all, you need to find the App Store. If you can't find it, then just swipe down the screen and you'll get this search box appear, and just type in there app, A-P-P. After a few seconds, you should see the blue App Store button. Just tap that. Then you just need to tap the search button just down there, and then tap into the search bar, and then just type NORAD. After a few seconds, you should see Norad Tracks Santa Claus come up in the suggestions. Just tap on that. And there we go, there's Norad Tracks Santa just there. It says Norad Tracks on mine. Just tap the get just to the right of that. Then just tap install. At that stage, it might ask for your fingerprint, so if it does, just put your finger on the fingerprint reader. Now this bit might take a bit of time depending on the speed of your internet connection. As you can see, the little circle is starting to fill up on mine, so please be patient. Like I say, if you've got a particularly slow connection, then this could take some time. And there we go, mine is now installed, so I just tap open. The app will now open, and as you can see at the moment it's given me a countdown timer for when the Santa tracker will begin. So there you go. I hope this guide helps, and I hope you manage to track Santa Claus this Christmas Eve. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.